Hello friends, today I will tell you how to use VMware Workstation 15.5 Pro. First click on create a new virtual machine. There are two options, typical and custom. I will choose custom and go ahead with next. Here you have to do nothing and click on next. And choose your operating system's ISO file. And click on next and type your virtual machine's name. I am giving Windows 10 name to the virtual machine and browse where you want to keep the files of virtual machine saved. I will choose local disk E and make a new folder, namely virtual. After typing the name, click on OK and next. Choose your VMware type of motherboard. My motherboard is BIOS and I go ahead with BIOS and click on next. Choose your number of processor and ports. I am going with default and choose the RAM you want to load to virtual machine. I will allot only 1 GB. You can allot 2 GB and click on next. Choose your network connection type. I choose NAT. Choose network address translation and go to next. And here you choose SCSI controller. I will choose recommended and go to next. And choose virtual disk type. SCSI I will choose and next and load space to virtual disk. I will load 50 GB. You can allot more or less. You can also make the virtual machine as a single file with multiple files. And click on next and finish. This will take a few moments. After creation of virtual machine, it will start automatically itself. You can enter into full screen by full screen mode showing on the top of the bar. Click on it and you will enter in a full screen mode. Choose your language, time, currency and next and install now. And choose your operating system type. I will use Windows 10 Enterprise pre-activated version and click on next. After that, accept the license terms and next and choose custom install Windows only. And here you have your disk space, or you can change your disk memory. I will make 2 drives, local disk C and local disk D. In one of them I will make Windows. For local disk C, I am allotting 25600 MB and click on apply and OK. After that, rest of the memory I will choose for local disk D and choose partition 2 for installing Windows. Click on partition 2 and click on next. Now operating system is installing. Almost done. Now it will install updates, and after that it's finishing up. This will reboot the system. The system will reboot after 10 seconds itself. I will restart now. After restart, it will ready the devices for your PC. It will take a few moments. Almost ready. Choose Express setting, and after that you have to write your username. And to me, I will write this PC as my username. Make it secure by entering a password. Confirm the password. And write a hint if you forget your password. After writing it, click on next, and the user is getting ready to start. The screen appears of actual screen. Now we have to install drivers for this virtual machine. Firstly, go to personalize and click on theme. Click on desktop icon settings and choose computer user files and network. And click on OK and close the personalize. Above there is VM named bar and vomit, and at end of the it install VMware tools. Click on it and choose install. Your driver is installed and click on this PC. Click on VMware tools and choose setup 64. If your operating system is 32-bit, choose setup only and click on yes. Now you can close this PC. Click on next. You can choose typical or complete. I will choose complete and install. This will take few moments. Our resolutions are fed to the screen. Now, after the tools are loaded, click on finish and reboot the system. Click on yes, it will reboot the system. Write your user password. Click on OK. Now you can use your local disk D as storage space. Firstly, I am ejecting Windows 10 DVD. Click on it and right click and click on eject. Then click on local disk D and click on format disk and choose quick format and start and OK. Format completed, OK, and close dialog box, and your local disk D is ready to work. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe if you found it usable.